What?
Don't pick maneuver.
Please don't do that.
Shit, here we go!
Holy shit. Let's go.
That was a bad
Can we calm down? Calm down and fucking four of the top 5 are racing for a playoff spot right now. What do you mean jail?
It is 25 laps to go. Can we please calm down,
They
sir?
are not calming down.
Dude, look at the
I would love if Chase Briscoe won. It would suck for Busher, but I wanted the win. I wanted the Busch. Actually, he's won going before. Remember, he beat Kyle Busch at the miscarriage, so he's won here before.
dude, about to shit my pants.
Kyle just needs to stay here. Oh,
That's the big one.
That's everybody.
A lot of math.
Dude,
Bubba's out of it! Byron's in it!
Byron's out. God damn it.
I don't think Busher was in it! I don't think Busher was in it! I don't think Busher got
Busher
through!
wasn't in it. Bubba's out.
Bubba's done! Bubba's out with the tolling!
Busher's
He's done.
Oh, no.
Bubba's done with the
damage. No, he's not. He's not.
No, his car is driving straight, unlike me.
Who the fuck is
He's a Bubba Wallace fan we know. He's a Bubba Wallace fan we know.
Byron,
Norris, Bubba. Oh, Bubba got a big hit from the rear.
Yeah.
No, Busher got through. Busher got through.
Busher got through. Okay, we're good.
Busher got through. He was on the bottom. Busher got through. Busher good.
Hit the wall and Barry.
No, the floor hit really hard.
It was kidding. It was kidding.
Yeah, no, the 48 got hit real hard. The 13 got hit.
Big one.
The 4 and the 23 had
some
2
big
big
damage.
hits.
90
damage.
No, that was Brad, but I didn't see him get caught up in the mix, though. That was Brad.
Wallace. Hi, Bubba Wallace.
There's Bubba. Look at this big hit case from Noah Gregson right here. Oh!
Yeah,
Thank you, Noah.
Arca brakes! Arca brakes!
Oh, no. Oh, Lord. Get ready for the Arca brakes.
Oh, it's a break.
The front end is good. Back end is fucked.
I mean, Ham Bubba into it, dude.
And even
What the hell?
it's over.
It's over, Michael Jordan. I'm sorry. You're not gonna chase that championship.
Also, we are officially Larson
horrible. Stop for Briscoe. Oh my god.
He's fucking cooking. Oh my god.
No way.
Oh my god.
All Kyle needs
That's-
is to win.
Oh, the place needs to go green. The place needs to go green.
Someone's smoky.
That ain't good.
Who's going up?
He's going
That's
fast.
Suarez. That's Suarez in the back. I don't know.
I don't like that.
Dude, literally Chase Briscoe, all he has to do is fucking survive.
Wait. I checked
God.
NASCAR chat.
Oh,
It's not a
shit.
bad thing, but I checked NASCAR chat and
This is
he
awesome.
said 8P2.
Shut up, no one cares.
How is he
Shut up, Kyle.
Kyle
Quit
Kyle
third.
has
You
to get up a
fucking
second.
Can Kyle Busch do it? Can he redeem himself from Daytona?
We got it. No,
Kyle, please.
Oh my god, Kyle's super fast. Kyle is crazy fast. Oh, he hit him.
Oh my god, no way. Oh my god.
Kyle is crazy fast.
Oh my
No,
god.
motherfucking Bush is back.
Look at him.
Motherfucking Bush is
Kyle
back.
is crazy.
There's no way.
Wait for a moment, dude. I'm stressing.
AFB is back.
You gotta chase down Briscoe. This place needs to go green.
Briscoe and Bubba are out. It's just Gibbs. If Gibbs can survive to where he is right now, he's gonna
How is
get
he
in.
doing this?
Oh, Briscoe's getting a little jumpy.
Briscoe's running high. Bush is running low. I want to see how that
This is a good
impacts
battle.
things.
I think he gained.
Bush
He gained
is
that last, I think.
Bush gained a little. Bush lost last weapon. He gained it back.
He gained it. He gained this time.
Now he's running the high side. Oh man, this is gonna
He
be.
needs that drive off.
Holy, this is actually interesting. This is exciting.
Briscoe, please give yourself a Darlington stripe.
Oh my god.
Briscoe, please no.
Bush is
Please no.
winning.
Guys, you keep forgetting that Chase Briscoe beat Kyle Busch in Xfinity a couple years back.
That couple years back was 4 years ago now. Dude.
Yeah, I know.
That's still a couple years back
The
now.
fact that a couple years later it's these two duking it out again is crazy.
Not over. It's not over, chat.
Oh my God.
Kyle's faster than Briscoe.
He's catching
Kyle's
up.
faster by a whole 0.1. Oh shit, he's gonna catch him.
Oh yeah, he's got him here.
Oh my God, he's gonna pass.
I'm gonna give it like 3 more
Kyle's
laps. I'm gonna give it 3
got
more
him.
laps.
Briscoe hold him on.
Oh my God.
Let's celebrate, guys.
Oh my fucking
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna give it 3 more laps.
Let's celebrate, guys.
Listen, every time I've said I don't mind
But
if this
the
person
pain
wins, they always
as a
wreck.
Kyle Busch fan in.
Don't say anything, Vortex. Please feel the guy force
We're
anything.
not gonna say
Oh,
that.
Can't come.
Okay, just shut your fucking mouth. I don't care about what you say, little bitch.
2020 Xfinity Series.
Oh my god, it is just Briscoe third all over again. But he's different driver in the 8. Kyle's going for it!
Come on, Kyle. Go,
Oh,
Kyle.
shit.
Go.
He's not gonna have to run though. He just doesn't have to run on the outside that
We
Chase.
haven't had a
Vortex,
No,
please
you're
shut
not.
up, Vortex.
Don't do your magic now.
Luigi, please use your admin powers.
One of these two guys is gonna get in the playoffs. No, it's Kyle Busch gets the last.
It's a lap car.
There's a lap car coming.
Who's the lap car? Whoever's the lap car, get the fuck out of the way right now.
I think Kyle has to run off. Kyle Busch.
Oh.
Oh no!
Ty
Oh
Gibbs.
God.
Grandpa, why am I in a lap car again?
By the way, Busch has been pushing these tires. He will blow a tire. If he keeps this up, those
No,
tires.
shut up, Vortex. I'm gonna.
It's
kick
no,
your
dude.
ass
It's no,
if you
no,
try
dude.
to
was
do
that?
Michael, Michael, you need to realize that's actually true.
Briscoe's starting to pull away a little
He's-
from Kyle.
Like they hate me because I was speaking the truth.
We have another lap car coming up.
Kyle's starting to run the same line. Kyle's starting to run the same line as him.
No,
It's the last few laps. He's gonna push. He's gonna push.
he's just been doing that.
Luigi, we have another. I think we have another lap car coming up.
Caution, please.
Fuck, we got another lap car coming up.
Listen, if they stay out of the way, we're good. I think that's gonna be bad for
I
Kyle.
predict
I think
on lap.
Briscoe would benefit from a lap
I
car blocking the
predict
lane.
on lap 3 we're gonna have a caution on lap 3.
Shut up. Let them race.
Shut up, Vortex.
Let this go to the line. I do not want overtime to ruin another fucking good finish.
It's not gonna be a good finish. Not a caution. We are heading into
Kyle Curry's
NASCAR
get out of the way.
overtime.
Kyle Curry's to get the fuck out of the
Shut
way.
the fuck up.
Stop. Vortex. Shut up, Jason.
It's gonna block Kyle. It's gonna block Kyle's lane.
No, it's not.
Bro, Kyle's driving the
Kyle's driving
wheels
the
off
wheels
this
off this
fucking
thing.
Three
thing.
laps to go.
Kyle gained a decent bit.
Kyle's
but-
gonna drive the wheels off of this
There's nothing.
thing.
There's
You
nothing.
said that, you
Nothing.
thief.
Oh my Briscoe!
Look at him.
He's getting loose.
Briscoe's
Holy
running
shit.
way better. Briscoe's
How
running
is
better.
Briscoe not hitting the fucking wall? How?
He's running it smarter.
Dude,
He's,
Briscoe's crazy, actually.
Goodness! Yo, it's not over.
Oh my god.
He's good. Dude, what is he doing? You couldn't slip a paper between that race car and the fucking wall.
Gonna go.
Oh goodness.
Briscoe
look at
is
that.
fucking cracked. Actually.
Briscoe's on that demon time right now.
Briscoe's going
Briscoe's
nuts.
fighting for
Let's
fucking
get nuts.
everything.
Like what bad messages? What's good nuts?
Time for a
When you have a
ride.
man who has nothing
Camera.
to lose and a man who has
But
nothing
nuts
to
for
gain.
this finish right there. Oh my
Kyle's
goodness.
descended. I don't know if it'll work though.
Big
Oh,
save.
got the wall.
I'll get him.
Briscoe hit the wall. Briscoe keeps the
Who's
gap.
gonna win it? Kyle Busch or Briscoe?
My heart's racing right now.
He's
Oh,
hanging
goodness,
on.
He's catching up. He's
Kyle's
catching
gonna
up.
get the draft though. Kyle's
Is
gonna
he
get the
gonna
draft
send it?
though.
I think he's gonna send it.
Kyle's got one more quarter to make a move.
Now you guys corner. What did he do it?
He gets
Dive bomb.
Kyle's not gonna get there. Kyle's too far.
Damn it.
And Chase
It's over.
Briscoe
Chase
is
Briscoe.
gonna win that
Briscoe's
Darlington.
gonna do it. Briscoe's gonna do it.
story.
Chase Briscoe. What a fucking
Chase
idiot.
Briscoe is the fucking Darlington demon.
I love Chase Briscoe now.
Much
This man is the
much
fucking
respect.
the Darlington GOAT.
I don't
My
care
lord.
what you say. Briscoe's the fucking Darlington demon. He ain't
My
the fucking demon.
heart, dude. My fucking
Look at
Man,
this chat.
he literally said, "Let me cook." He fucking cooked his way to the playoffs.
Hasn't
He's
done
back.
shit for 2 years, and now I'm seeing
He
what Joe
hauled
Gibbs
that
fucking
shit
hired
bucket.
him.
Justin, look at him.
Oh my god. Joe Gibbs is gonna have a fucking ball.
2 years
is this
in
a
the
double
making. Likely the final win for Stewart Haas
Wait, is this
Racing.
gonna be a double burnout?
No.
Just Chase Briscoe was just better. There's no way to say it. Chase Briscoe.
Watch them. Now watch them DQ Briscoe. Watch them.
No.
Shut
I will
up.
not shut up.
No, actually,
Bitch.
shut up.
Make me.
Oh
I'm
my! I
going to
hope
go to your
Joe's
house and
recording
come in your
this.
socks.
I'm recording this, yes.
First of all, shut up. Second of all,
I'm gonna go to your
Oh,
house
son.
and make sure that every time you put the pillow over, it's warm.
Hey guys, don't worry.
Wade
I'm
wins
working
regular
on
season
this.
title with as well. Who won the regular season title with that?
Chase Briscoe is the Darlington racer of all time.
I fucking hate him, dude. I hate RCR.
It's okay,
I'm sorry
man.
for
Calm
the Kyle
down.
Busch fan.
It's
I'm
okay,
sorry
man.
again.
It's okay, man.
Both Bubba Wallace and fucking Chase Briscoe both have fought so hard, and neither of them got in.
Yeah, fucking
Oh my
Chris
God,
Buescher didn't
dude.
get
I'm
in.
so tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of RCR.
Get him on Suicide Watch.
That wasn't
Fuck
even
Richard
RCR's
Childress.
fault. Just Briscoe was
Fuck
just
Richard
better.
Childress.
There's no way to say it. I think
Okay,
Briscoe
listen, all
just
I'm
managed
saying
his
is
tires
Bush
better,
didn't
which is
push his
better.
tires that hard. I think he could have.
I'm
I
fucking
cannot
tired of it,
believe
dude.
that.
I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it.
This is actually kind of rough.
Don't
Like,
let
actually.
your
No,
stuff
this is a-
go.
No, but no. I
It's
mean, it's bittersweet because Kyle Busch, like, he's gone his entire
It's
career.
bitter.
getting-
Let's be honest here. Kyle's got 2 wins left. Chase Briscoe, he probably just helped his career survive a little bit.
This makes me
Yeah,
wanna
Chase
cry for
Briscoe
his
helped
win.
his career survive, while Kyle Busch, I mean, it's hard to watch. I know.
I don't say it's over yet. He's still probably got 1 more year.
I also would not say it's over.
I
Kyle
got-
Busch
I think
still
he's
has
got
the rest of the year.
2.
Kyle Busch still has the rest of the year.
Race win streak. I mean, winless streak.
Joe, you're recording this, right?
Yes, I'm recording this. Yes.
You better upload it, man. That finish was
That finish was incredible, though.
dude.
Get to editing
we
now.
had some classic stock car race with no gimmicky bullshit coming into play.
Joe, stop the recording. Get to editing now.
At least I wasn't recording this at 4 a.m. It's 4 p.m. Man, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. Oh, I know. Yo, boy!
The misguided driver beckons his pursuers, daring them to follow, as he takes a mind-boggling risk.